Folks, have you watched as many crime docs as I have? Maybe. And have you noticed that a lot of these folks are innocent? And there's one on Netflix right now where it is just innocent people that have spent decades in prison, and it was proved later that they were completely innocent. One of the ways that this is done, and I don't handle this sort of work, but I'm interested in it, you need a post-conviction relief attorney, basically, or the Innocence Projects that are in each state. We have an Innocence Project here in Florida, and they deal with this. What happens is usually these projects start with DNA. They've got to get some science behind this. Now, Florida requires three pretty big hurdles to jump through if you are sitting in prison and you are requesting that the court let you test some stuff, test some DNA years and years and decades later. They will not let you do this unless you jump through three hurdles. And I want to tell you what those hurdles are. First, you have to describe to the court what evidence you are asking to be tested for DNA, where it is, where is its present location or last known location, and how was this evidence originally obtained. That's your first hurdle. The second hurdle is you have to tell the court that this stuff has not been DNA tested before, number one, or number two, it was tested, but the results were inconclusive, and maybe now decades later, maybe inconclusive can turn into conclusive. I don't know. And then number three, and this is the important one, right? Because even if you get through the first two hurdles, the third hurdle is you have got to explain to the court how this DNA is going to exonerate you or is going to lessen your sentence. I would say most of the denials on the appellate court side are related to, yeah, there may be DNA, and yeah, you know the location, and yes, it wasn't tested, but you haven't shown the court that this is going to exonerate you if the two don't match. So those are the hurdles. Before you watch that crime documentary where you see hundreds of people behind bars for decades that have been freed because of DNA evidence, but the amount of hoops that they have to jump through in order to get the end goal it's exhausting. And there are good people out there that volunteer their time and just do this sort of thing. They're usually called an Innocence Project, but there are other people like that, post-conviction relief attorneys, things of that sort. And it's fascinating. I just thought I'd give you the three big hurdles that you got to get through before you even have a shot at having this stuff tested and have a shot at actually getting out.